मैं क्वेश्चन कर पाया, क्योंकि मैं इसी तरह क्वेश्चन करता हूँ। कभी मैं डिड से क्वेश्चन करता हूँ, कभी वाई से क्वेश्चन कभी करता हूँ, कभी वर्ड से। हम ये डू है, ये डिड है, ये दिस हेल्पिंग वर्ब, दैट डब्ल्यू फैमिली, ये स्ट्रक्चर वो स्ट्रक्चर। लेकिन हम लोग सिर्फ पढ़ते हैं, हम लोग बोलते नहीं, हम लोग क्वेश्चन नहीं करते। It's a language, guys. See, I am able to speak English without any partner, without any institute, without any guidance. So why? Because I have spoken a lot. So the same technique I will try on you, so that you can also do so, and you can also speak this language. So guys, don't worry, don't be sad, I'm telling you. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. So guys, इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा कैसे क्वेश्चन करें पास्ट टेंस में। इन माय प्रीवियस वीडियो आई शोड यू हाउ टू प्रैक्टिस इन आस्किंग क्वेश्चन इन प्रेजेंट टाइम। इन दिस वीडियो आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू हाउ टू आस्क क्वेश्चन इन पास्ट टाइम। फॉर पास्ट टाइम वी हैव like did, was, were, had been. This kind of helping verbs we have. Also I will use some WS family. So watch this video till the end, so that you can get to know how to ask question. I'm going to talk to my friend. So today I'm going to talk to one of my friends in order to know what he did yesterday. So let's talk. Let's say my friend's name is Subham. So let's start. So hello Subham, how are you? Yes Karen, I'm great. What about you? Yes, I'm also doing great. Fantastic. So Subham, where were you yesterday? Yesterday I was at home. Okay, at what time did you wake up in the morning? Well, yesterday I woke up late in the morning. Why did you wake up late in the morning? Yeah, yesterday I woke up late in the morning because it was Sunday. Okay, did you go for a walk yesterday? Yes, I went for a walk. How far did you go for a walk? Well, I went for a walk, I think, for 1 kilometer. Okay. How long did you walk? I walked for half an hour. Oh, for half an hour. So, which park did you go to walk? I went to Geo Park to walk. Okay. How many people were there that time? Well, there were 5 people there. Oh, 5 people. Whose son pushed you yesterday? Oh, Karan's son pushed me yesterday. Why did he push you? He pushed me because I wanted to play with him. So he said, no, I don't want to play, and I started insisting him. Then he pushed me. Okay. Who made breakfast yesterday? Yesterday I made breakfast. Why did you make breakfast? Why didn't your mom make breakfast? Yesterday I was quite free. As I told you, yesterday it was Sunday. So I thought I should make. So I made breakfast. What did you make for breakfast? Well, I made some like aloo parathas and also tea. Okay. So did you like, was your breakfast tasty? Yes, my breakfast was tasty. Okay. What was your brother doing yesterday? See, he was watching TV. Why was he watching TV? As I told you, it was Sunday, so everyone was free. So everyone of my family members was at home. So everyone was at home. Okay, that's great. Uh, did you have time yesterday? Yes, yesterday I had lots of time. Okay, did you have to wash your clothes yesterday? Yes, I had to wash my clothes yesterday. Okay. Uh, had you been sleeping for 2 hours yesterday? Yes, I had been sleeping for 2 hours yesterday. Okay. So I got to know that you had been sad for 2 days. Yes, I had been sad for 2 days. Okay, I can see your mobile. So your mobile is new. Where is your old mobile? I have sold that old mobile. Okay, but I think that you had that mobile for 2 years. Yes, I had that I had that mobile for 2 years. Okay, great. So Subham, uh, after taking breakfast, what did you do? After taking breakfast, I went into my room and I took a rest. At what time did you take lunch? I took lunch around 12:30 p.m. After that, I went to one of my friends' home. Why did you go there? I was feeling bored. So did you get your friend? Was your friend at home that time? Yes, my friend was at home that time. So did you talk to him? Yes, I talked to him. How long did you talk to him? I talked to him for half an hour. Then what did you do? Then I came back to my home, and it was 6 p.m. Then what did you do? Then I grabbed my mobile and I started watching Hollywood movies. uh, so okay, what was the name of that movie? I don't know the name of that movie, but it was horror movie and Hollywood movie. Okay, it was Hollywood movie. So how long did you watch? I watched for half an hour. Okay. Then what did you do? Then I was given dinner around 9:30 p.m. I took dinner, went to bed and slept. So guys, I asked lots of question. क्यों मैं क्वेश्चन कर पाया? क्योंकि मैं इसी तरह क्वेश्चन करता हूँ डेलीबरेटली। कभी मैं डिड से क्वेश्चन करता हूँ, कभी वाई से क्वेश्चन कभी करता हूँ, कभी वर्ड से। हम जानते हैं कि ये हेल्पिंग है, ये डू है, ये डिड है, ये दिस हेल्पिंग वर्ब, दैट डब्ल्यू फैमिली, ये स्ट्रक्चर, वो स्ट्रक्चर। लेकिन हम लोग सिर्फ पढ़ते हैं, हम लोग बोलते नहीं, हम लोग क्वेश्चन नहीं करते। गाइस, really, I run classes. If you really want to become fluent in English, you can join, and I will definitely make you uh, like uh, I will definitely make you fluent in English. Also, I will guide you, help you, and I will make you lots of practice so that you will get habitual to speak this language. It's a language, guys. See, I am able to speak English without any partner, without any institute, without any guidance. So why? Because I have spoken a lot. So that same technique I will try on you so that you can also do so, and you can also speak this language. So guys, don't worry, don't be sad. I'm telling you, just like my video, subscribe my video, and stick to my channel. And if you really want to join my class, you are welcome. Otherwise, you can do practice being alone. There is no problem, because I have become fluent English without any teacher, without any institute. But yes, it depends on you. Make sure you don't feel bored while practicing in English. Thank you so much, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe. Bye.